Okay, I'm back at this headlight patch job. Right now I've decided to go ahead and put a piece of wire mesh on right here. You know, so basically I tested it first just to make sure the wire mesh would stick, or actually that the plastic would stick to the plastic, which I was pretty sure it would. And then I cut out a piece of wire mesh, covered the hole with the wire mesh. Now I'm going to go over the complete hole with the plastic weld. And that's going to take, I spent probably about I've got about 7 minutes of my personal time invested so far trying to fix this. You know, of course, that's after I got my light in place. You know, I got the light on the table up in the living room. You know, everybody gets to do this in the living room. You know, and then got the sandpaper out, the little plastic stuff. So if you're quick at preparing, and you can get it done very quickly. The hardest part is just getting the patch to initially adhere to the plastic, you know, especially with only 2 hands. Extra hand every now and then can get so much more done. Now I know there are other ways this can easily be done as well, so probably use kitty hair and Bondo, you know, or just straight kitty hair fiberglass, or you know, Bondo would probably work too. So, you know, I'm sure a lot of people get scared when it comes to that, and maybe they didn't try this. So. Not happening quickly, so don't get upset if you don't feel like you're making any progress for a little bit, you know. But I felt that many times during this that I'm not getting anywhere. I think I am. Furthermore, why does anybody in the world fix anything themselves anymore? Nobody, not many kids these days, you know, can fix many things. You know, it's all throw it away or call somebody to come fix it. It's like they don't even try to, you know, save money doing things themselves. I'm not that old, I'm only 44. You know? But doing stuff like this is actually kind of fun with me. They went crazy.